Now see, most of the time these air conditioners are window mount. This is actually called a window mount air conditioner. And we're not installing it in a window, are we? It comes with the housing, and this is what I like about these. See this housing bit? You install this first. Okay, this is the old one. I'm going to take this out, and I love that about these air conditioners. Some air conditioners do not have a housing that you install first and then slide it in. You have to take the whole thing up there, hold it in your window, teeter-totter it around, and try to bolt it in, and then you put these little fin things on the side, and it all comes in here for that. But the cool thing about this property was they measured the housing and they roughed in the opening for these housings. So obviously you have to get the right size air conditioner to fit this. One size is it, and there's not that many air conditioners with this exact same size. Okay, but we found some, and that's what we're going to install. So just one more thing, if you get one like this, you can order them a wall mount. And if you do, there's some trim on the outside, and you have to kind of bolt it in, and there's trim that fits all the way around it. You have to know the exact measurement. But in this case, we didn't get that because those are more expensive, and we don't need to use those. This is all we're going to need. And incidentally, 550 square feet, 12,000 BTUs on here. Okay, you look at this, 550 square feet. That's how much air or much square footage that this unit will entail. And in this room is nowhere near 550 square feet, nor these bedrooms. This bedroom is probably 150 square feet, but it's got a 12,000 BTU unit in it. And you can get them down, you know, you can get a 10,000 BTU unit, and the good thing about that is they fit in the very same opening for the LGs. That's what I like. Now the 8,000 BT unit is a smaller one, and 6,000. Okay, that's how the unit looks